In this brief video, I wanted to show you the steps necessary to load your avatar into Blackboard, and that's a great enhancement to the discussion boards and other things, as some of you have already seen. So the first thing you're going to do is to go find your profile picture. Here I've got a picture to start with, and I'm going to just open that using Microsoft's Picture Manager. There's other ways you can do this, but this one's pretty standard on most PCs. Now you see I have a profile picture here that's not square and it's not zoomed in on my face. I encourage you to really crop in on your face for these avatar pictures because they're so small, and that'll make it possible for others to be able to see what you look like as you're interacting with students from around the world. So the first thing I'm going to do is crop my picture, and I'm going to try to get as close as I can to a square picture that kind of centers around my face. And I can tell when I'm getting close to having a square by the sizes over here that show up under picture dimensions. So it looks like I need to do a little bit more work to get that to be a square. There we have a 1056 by 1056. Whatever the numbers are, it doesn't matter at this point. You just want to make sure you have a square picture. And if I wanted to make that a little tighter in on my face, I could do that. And again, adjust that right back down to a square. As you see there. There we are, a 985 by 985. Let's go with that. Now, this is still much larger than Blackboard wants it. Blackboard would like to have a picture that's 150 by 150. So I'm going to go to the resize tool, and I'm going to tell it to custom width 150. And when I say OK, you see my new size is 150 by 150. Now I'm going to save that. If I just hit the save button, I'm going to lose my old picture, so I'm going to use save as. And I'm going to call this one Ronk Small Square. And now I have my picture saved. And I'm not going to save the other one so that it doesn't overwrite my original picture. So there's my picture. Now we go into Blackboard very quickly. We go to My PIU Online, the link up here in the top left. From anywhere inside of Blackboard you can get to this page. Over on the left hand side you see personal information. And then here you see a personalize my settings where it says you can upload a personal avatar. That's the link I'm looking for. And mine's already loaded, but you would simply change it from this button to this button and then browse to your computer, find that picture that we just cropped and made it this size. Notice that the avatar should be 150 by 150, which is what we did. And you'll be ready to submit. And once you do that, your avatar will begin to show up next to your name when you're involved in discussions and chats and so forth.